Sophia, I have a feeling that this week the universe is mischievously testing my patience,
You say that every week.
but this week is especially different.
Special in what way?
Like, everything seems to be quietly opposing me a little.
Sounds more like you're opposing getting up early.
No, it's not. On Monday, I decided to completely change my life.
At what time did you make that decision?
11 p.m. On Sunday,
Ah, the classic inspiring time slot for you.
I set the alarm for 6 a.m. to go jogging in the park like those people.
Ah, those people running full of positive energy.
Exactly. I wanted to become one of them.
And what happened?
The alarm rang.
Then?
I opened my eyes.
Good progress.
I looked at my phone.
And,
I pressed, turn off the alarm.
and?
I told myself, running in my dreams is also top-tier training.
Haha, you're truly a talented creator.
Not just that.
What else?
In the dream, I ran really fast.
How many kilometers?
At least 10 kilometers.
When you woke up, your legs must have been super strong, right?
No, just my back hurt from sleeping in the wrong position.
A truly memorable achievement.
Looking at them running, I felt a bit guilty.
With who?
With my running shoes.
Why with the shoes?
Because I bought them to run.
But you use them to.
Go to the fridge.
A very practical and smart use.
Not done yet.
I guess there are more humorous tragedies.
On Tuesday, I decided to eat healthy.
Another grand resolution?
I bought a really big box of salad.
Sounds very mature and responsible.
But when I opened the fridge,
Don't tell me.
I saw the cake.
Cake is always the villain in all your stories, isn't it?
No, it's the main character.
And the salad?
The pitiful supporting role.
I can guess the ending.
I stood in front of the fridge, thinking very deeply.
How long?
About 5 seconds.
A lightning fast decision.
The cake won beautifully.
And the salad?
It stayed there, looking at me with total disappointment.
I'm starting to feel sorry for the salad.
Me too.
So, why didn't you eat it?
Because I already ate the cake.
An extremely logical reason that can't be refuted. But at least you're sitting in the park today.
That's right.
Not sleeping in.
No,
Not eating cake.
that one. Not so sure.
Haha. You're truly unpredictable.
Actually, I came to the park today to change my image.
What image?
A dynamic, full of life person.
But you've been sitting here the whole time.
Dynamic. In my thoughts.
Ah, jogging with imagination again, right?
Exactly. Oh man,
What?
that dog is running so fast.
It's just playing.
But watching it run makes me feel a little pressured.
Pressure from a dog?
It exercises more diligently than me.
That's quite true. But I think you don't need to be too hard on yourself.
Why?
Because at least you still have good plans.
Even if I don't follow through?
Yeah,
Sounds like warm consolation.
it is consolation.
Thanks, Sophia.
What?
Next week I'll really start jogging.
I've heard that before.
But this time it's different.
Different how?
I'll invite you to run together.
Ah, so I'm in danger too.
We'll become dynamic people.
Or we'll just sit here and keep drinking coffee?
The second option sounds much more reasonable.
I think so too.
Sophia, honestly,
Go ahead.
I think studying this week was a bit dramatic.
Studying can be dramatic?
Yes. This week, I decided to become a serious student.
Another resolution.
Don't laugh. This time I prepared very carefully.
How did you prepare?
Wednesday evening, I cleaned up my study desk neatly.
A huge step forward.
I arranged the books neatly.
Very good.
I placed the laptop neatly.
So professional.
I brewed a fragrant cup of coffee.
I'm starting to believe you.
And I told myself, tonight, I'll study for 3 hours straight.
Sounds like a motivational movie trailer.
But then something happened.
I can guess.
The internet algorithm betrayed me again.
The internet is always innocent.
No, it suggested interesting videos.
What video?
10 super effective ways to study.
Sounds okay.
I clicked to watch.
And
After that video,
there was the next one.
a day in the life of a super disciplined student.
I've watched that too.
Then the next one,
What else?
cute cat videos.
Haha, cats again.
A cat sitting in a cardboard box.
Cats love boxes.
Then a cat slipping comically.
The internet is full of fun things like that.
Then a sleeping soundly.
Sounds very relaxing.
When I looked at the clock,
How long?
2 hours.
2 hours researching cat behavior.
Very profound and useful knowledge.
But did you actually study?
Of course.
At what time?
11 p.m.
Classic deadline energy.
Then I drank more coffee.
The second coffee?
The third.
Not surprised at all.
I started reading the material.
Were you focused?
The first 10 minutes were super focused.
Then,
I started thinking about life.
studying and philosophizing too?
I wondered
About what?
why humans are so talented at procrastinating,
The big question of humanity.
and why homework is always more interesting when the deadline is near,
Because of the pressure.
or panic.
Those two are pretty much the same.
Look at them.
The runners?
Yeah,
What?
I think they're much more disciplined than me.
Definitely.
But I have discipline too.
What kind?
I always procrastinate in a very consistent and professional way.
Haha, that's also a form of stability. But I think I'm even worse than you.
Really?
On Thursday, I also plan to study.
And
I opened my laptop.
starting to sound like you.
I opened the assignment document.
Very good.
Then I opened another tab.
The dangerous tab.
Social media.
Aha.
At first, I only planned to watch for 5 minutes.
No one has ever succeeded with that line.
I watched one video,
Then,
another video,
then,
one more video.
how long?
1 hour.
The internet is truly a sophisticated trap.
But in the end, I did the assignment.
At what time?
Midnight.
The powerful night study army.
At that time, I felt so smart.
Why?
Because my brain was working so fast.
Or because you were panicking?
Maybe both.
Sophia,
What?
I have a cool theory.
What theory?
Humans learn most effectively when the deadline is near.
I think that's not a theory.
Then what is it?
It's a shared experience of the whole world.
Sounds reasonable. But next week, I'll study earlier.
That familiar line again.
No, this time I'm serious.
You said that about jogging, too.
I'm building a new image.
What image?
A person who's constantly hardworking.
You need at least 3 weeks to prove it.
So starting next week,
I'll wait and see.
Sophia,
Yeah?
if that bird had homework,
Uh-huh.
I think it would do it before the deadline too.
You've just dragged the whole world into your procrastination story.
I just wanted to feel less alone.
Don't worry.
Why?
I'm the same.
Sophia, do you feel like the weekend flies by so fast?
Terribly fast.
Friday night I thought, oh, I have 2 whole days to relax comfortably.
And then,
In the blink of an eye, it was Sunday night.
that's a very common phenomenon.
The weekend runs fast, like those people jogging over there.
And Monday goes slow like a turtle.
Exactly.
But I like mornings like this.
Why?
The cool air, people strolling, and we can sit chatting about random fun stuff.
Random stuff is my specialty.
I know.
Speaking of weekends, Yesterday, I had a pretty funny experience.
What happened?
I bought something online.
Sounds normal.
Not normal at all.
Why?
I ordered a jacket.
Then,
In the picture, it looked really cool and stylish.
advertising pictures are always beautifully enhanced.
When I received it,
Don't say it was completely different.
it looked like the coat of a cute penguin.
Haha, what do you mean?
It puffed up on both sides, looking really funny.
A fashion jacket. Penguin humor version.
When I tried it on and looked in the mirror,
What did you see?
I saw a penguin deeply pondering life.
I want to see that scene so bad.
No, you'd laugh all day.
I'm already laughing. But buying online is sometimes like playing the lottery.
Exactly.
Sometimes you get something beautiful.
And sometimes you get a penguin.
Exactly.
But the funniest part is this.
There's more?
When I asked my friend, "How does this jacket look?"
What did they say?
They said, "Very unique."
That's the polite way to say, a bit weird.
I thought so too. Sophia,
What?
have you ever thought about self-improvement?
Of course.
Me too.
What's your plan?
Next week I'll wake up early.
That line again.
I'll go jogging
Same one.
and study earlier.
I just heard this one.
Why don't you believe me?
Because I've heard these plans about 10 times already.
But this time is different.
Different how?
I said it in the park.
That doesn't change anything. But I think everyone has plans like that.
Really?
Yeah.
For example?
Next week I'll eat healthy.
Sounds so familiar.
Next week I'll sleep early.
Also familiar.
Next week I'll exercise.
Okay, I get it. Maybe we should try running a lap around the park.
Now?
Yeah,
Are you sure? Why are you silent?
I just thought again.
About what?
We should start from next week.
Haha, I knew it. But actually I don't see any problem.
Why?
Because sometimes just sitting and chatting like this is fun enough.
I agree.
No need to be too perfect.
No need to be too disciplined.
Just a beautiful morning in the park.
And a friend to talk to. Sophia,
What?
next week we'll meet here again, okay?
Sure.
And we'll go jogging.
Are you sure?
Not really sure.
So, what will we do?
Sit here and keep talking.
Sounds like the most realistic plan you've had so far.
Finally, I came up with a feasible plan.
All right then.
What?
See you next week.
And keep complaining?
And keep laughing.
Sounds perfect.